Now, our next question is, what is career counseling? Career counseling is also known as career guidance or career coaching. Career counseling is a systematic process that helps an individual to understand one's self, that is, his strengths, his interests, abilities, and skills. It also helps an individual to understand the various working trends so that he can take an informed decision about his career. Informed means proper decision, good decision. Career counseling is the counseling which is designed to help us in choosing, changing, or leaving a career. This counseling is available at any stage in life. This type of guidance can help you identify and stay focused on career goals. This type of guidance, that is career counseling, offers support while you take the steps needed to meet these goals. Now, the question arises, when we should hire career counselor. There are some indications which show that the time has come that we should hire a career counselor. Let us see those indications. You have sent hundreds of resumes so that you may get a job, but you are unable to get a job. You are overwhelmed by the thought of searching for a job. Maybe you have been out of the job market for a long time, or you have been recently laid off. It means that you are not doing job for quite a long time, or your employer has removed you from the service, or you have left the job. Then you may require the services of a career counselor, or you are ready to make a major career change. That is, you are not satisfied with your present career and you want to change the career. These are all reasons to reach out to a career counselor who can help you understand the recruitment process, pinpoint the problems that are causing your applications to get overlooked. Now we will understand the importance of career counseling, or why the services of career counselor should be availed. Choosing a career is an important task, but it may also be a difficult one. It may not be easy to decide what type of job will be the best fit. It may not be possible for an individual who wants to choose a career to do an extensive research on different potential careers. That is, you may be getting good marks in your class, and it may be open for you to become a doctor or become an engineer. As you are getting good marks, you may go for any career, but it may be difficult for you to opt for one particular career, and it may be also difficult for you to do extensive research on both these careers. In here, the services of a career counselor can be helpful. He will be often able to provide valuable information relating to the skills, education, etc. required for different careers and the potential earnings of various careers, as he will be in the particular field for a quite long time. A career counselor can guide you about the skills or educations which may be required for the different careers and the type of earnings, that is the total earnings which you may be getting in going for a particular career. Career counseling can be even beneficial resource if you are currently employed and looking to advance in your company or find some more satisfaction in your role. A career counselor can be a therapist, a life coach, or a volunteer from the business world. Career counseling can benefit almost anyone, whether you are in the beginning stages of choosing a career or wish to change career or recovering from a layoff. A career counselor can help you. Layoff means you have been removed from the service. A career counselor can also help to explore ways to be more satisfied with a current career. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.